We'll guide you through how to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So TikTok can go and suggest your account to others who go and have your phone number. Perhaps you're going to notice you get suggestions through your contacts and other people's phone numbers, and so you don't want this to be the case for yours. We're going to guide you through how you can go and hide your TikTok account from your contacts. So make sure it's a full guide and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, head to the bottom right of TikTok. There you can go and find the profile button and you can tap there. Now you want to come to the top right of TikTok and find the three lines and tap there. Go down and find settings and privacy at the bottom. Go and scroll down and go and find the preferences section. And then what you need to do is go and find contacts and location, and you can go and tap there. So at the top, you want to go and switch off contacts, and you can also go and switch off sync contacts as well. And you can go and press remove previously synced contacts, and that should be it.